This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Eleanor Cap. Welcome to this second floor and unit, beautifully furnished, turnkey, condo with a garage in Country Village of 55+ community. This condo has a split floor plan, offering 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Step inside the front door and you'll be greeted with a light and bright living room with an electric fireplace entertainment center for nice ambience. Off of the living room there is a large screened-in lanai to enjoy your morning coffee. The kitchen has been updated with new cabinets, flooring vinyl plank, recessed lighting, sink, quartz countertops, and appliances. The dining room area also has new vinyl plank flooring. Hall bathroom, new vanity, vinyl plank flooring and toilet. Newer hot water heater and AC 2021, thermostat and humidistat 2021. This condo offers the perfect blend of comfort and functionality. The soft, inviting neutral paint create a soothing ambience throughout the condo. It's just perfect. There is a garage with a loft for lots of storage space. Also, within the last couple years all the outside units were painted, newer roofs, streets repaved, and new steps installed. This location is key, close to the Clubhouse and Pool/spa. There is an active social calendar, billiards, cards and fully equipped kitchen, shuffleboard, bocce, picnic grilling area and even a car wash area. Just a few miles to Anna Maria Island, shopping, restaurants, churches, and the hospital. This condo will not disappoint you. Call to schedule an appointment. For more information, review the details.